Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Rachel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, what's in my little emergency kit slash essentials bag. I don't know why these videos aren't a thing anymore, but I got lots of requests to do it, so I was like, let's just do it. I carry one around everywhere I go, so why not show you guys what's in it. So this bag is just from an Ipsy. I just think the tassel is so cute, and focus on the tassel. There we go. But anyway, yeah. I don't know if this is leopard print or cheetah print. I don't know. But basically, I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So, when you open it, that's what it looks like. And yeah, so the first thing is hand sanitizer. So this is just the Germ-X. I think this is self-explanatory nowadays anymore, so it's a good thing to have with ya. The next thing I have in here is deodorant. This is just the Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black plus White Invisible Solid deodorant. So the next thing that I have in here is just chapstick. This is just the original chapstick. I like this stuff a lot. This is like my favorite chapstick of all times. The next thing that I have in here is just this little container. It's for baby aspirin, but that's not what's in here. I keep everything that I possibly could need. So I have Tylenol, I have Benadryl, I have ibuprofen, and I have my Zyrtec allergy medicine all in here. And yeah, so that's what I keep in here. The next thing that I have is just a hair tie. I don't know. I think it's important to have a hair tie. The next thing I have in here is just my cocoa butter. I love this stuff, especially if like my knees are ashy or my ankles are ashy or my hands are dry. I can just use this and it works amazing. So yeah, I love this stuff. The next thing I have in here is a charger for my iPhone, and then I have just the little car charger and the little block that goes with it. Like, you need your phone for everything, so if it's dead, it's like, I don't know, like you literally need it for everything. The next thing I have in here is just a tampon. Self-explanatory on that one. Next thing I have is just this little tiny comb, and I know what you're all thinking, this is not gonna get through anybody's hair, but it gets through mine pretty well, as I have a knot. But anyway, it works, and I usually just use it to like brush the knots out of the end of my hair. Yeah, it's just from the dollar store, so it's like this cheap little thing. Like, honestly, I don't know, but it works. And then I have some eye drops for itchy eyes, because I get such bad itchy eyes, especially during allergy season. Like, it's so bad, so always have to have this stuff with me. The last two things I have in here is just a pen with a stylus on the end, and then a pencil. Like I said, these are my favorite pencils, guys. Like, by far my favorite pencils. I love them, and this pen works really well. I don't know what brand it is, but it just says Live, Laugh, Love on it, and I love both of these. Now this whole bag is empty. Let me know down below if you guys have an essentials bag, or if you have stuff in your essentials bag that I don't have that maybe I should have. Comment down below. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below, and also follow me on all my socials. If you have any other questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.